Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with Military Relics. Today I'm going to be showcasing a set of original Civil War era dominoes. Now, from my research, these are from the Civil War era. People have found these in Civil War camps on both sides while metal detecting and doing archaeology. Soldiers would buy these to kill time in the camps. And these have bone top and black ebony on bottom. Bone top, black ebony on bottom. And notice that these are not perfect. See here, these are not perfect, and these are lightweight and small, so perfect in a knapsack. There are examples of these in many Civil War museums. These were probably made in Great Britain and sent over here to be sold, or they could have been made here in the US. So to show you how rustic they are, I mean, this isn't flush here. The bone is cut awkwardly. There's even worse examples in this than this one. And look at the threes here. We have two, let me set it down. We have two dots here, and then one out here. Two dots here, one out here, and it's on all of the threes in my set. So what I'm thinking is they had a template, but they didn't bother to fix the template, and it was like that. I think that's pretty interesting. I think the rusticness of these really makes them cooler than most dominoes. I think that's a really nice aspect of these dominoes. Now, what's interesting about these particular dominoes here is that these ones, the previous owners of the set, who knows how long ago, lost pieces over time. Now, right now, the set is missing only one piece, but it was missing more before. Here is a handmade, hand-carved piece of pine. Kind of the same wood as the box. Piece of pine, whitewashed, and then black painted dots, which one has come off, as you can see here, and then a penciled line here. Civil War era replacement of a domino, I'm not sure. Who knows? But it's still neat anyway. And then we have this one here, which is definitely different from the others. This one's bigger, heavier, and the ebony and the bone or ivory is flush with each other. Try saying that 3 times fast. Is flush with each other, and it's more perfect than something like this. See, the bone is overhanging, and it's just cut. I'm not gonna say sloppily, but it's just not as well done as this. Don't get me wrong, I do like these better. They're more rustic, but this is bigger. This is I think is still handmade. It's just that it's more flush. They probably took a lot more time on it than someone who did this. More of handmade kind of stuff. And this is what Civil War soldiers would have, because it's smaller. I mean, I'll try to do this with one hand, but see the difference of size? This one is much bigger and bulkier and heavier. Try carrying around a bunch of these in your pack, 28 of these compared to 28 of these. These are much lighter, much more efficient. Ha! It looks like I won, Johnny Reb.